Hi everyone, I'm back to do another exciting unboxing. So this is my anniversary present. It's early. Our anniversary is on the 22nd. So it depends on when I'm, I guess, uploading this, but right now it's early. And this came from, oops, sorry if I'm shaking the camera. I'm trying to get it out of the box. This was shipped from Australia. The seller I found on Chanel Facebook group. I don't know if it's still ritzy, but it's the Chanel Facebook page. And this is a beautiful box. I'm so excited. The tissues, and it came with some bubble wrap. Always nice. Oh, that's part of the bag sitting here. Okay, so it's in the dust bag. Okay, it also came, which is really nice because most resale items or pre-owned items don't usually come with the original receipt, which this one did. This one is purchased in Hong Kong. And also, I didn't know if you're a VIP, they get automatically 10% off. So this is 23 But yeah, it came with the cleaning cloth, the original receipt, and the authenticity card, which this one is a, it'll focus. Oh well, it's not focusing, but this is a 23 series. And to reveal, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, it feels so nice. So pretty. Ta-da! This is my new, to me, Chanel Trendy CC in, I think this is the 16K color. I'm not sure, but it's definitely like a taupe beige color. She sent me some photos. This one did have some corner wear, but I got it for $2,000 under what I would have paid retail, so that's good. I mean, I can just use some leather conditioner there. The CC plate has no wear and tear. There's some darkening on the leather, but I'm sure leather surgeons can fix that. There's no marks or colors transfer on the back. This is the interior, stuffed, and is just a 3-compartment style with burgundy lining. So beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it so much. What do you guys think? Okay, let me attach the long strap. So this is the bag with the chains on it. I don't know why, but the chains don't really line up straight. So I'm definitely gonna have to ask the seller what that is, being that I've never seen this in person or even tried it on. I'm not sure if that's normal or not, but for what it is, it should be straight. Right, let me show you guys how this bag looks on. I am currently pregnant and I'm about 4'11", 5 foot. So it hits me right below my hip, and maybe if I wasn't pregnant this would look better crossbody, but yeah, it's a little, it's right there where my under boob is, where my rib cage is. So if you absolutely need to be hands-free, I'm sure this is fine. It's not really uncomfortable or anything, and you can still open the bag, no problem. So cute. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this beautiful bag. This lambskin is beautiful. But yeah, please subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.